Well, hello there. Today we will be planning by our I mean mine, Halloween cosplay. I will be cosplaying as Theo from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. If you don't know who Theo is the hero from the hit anime JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. He's a poor boy from a poor family. His father was an alcoholic. His mother died when he was a child. But Theo does not give up. Theo does not take shit from the world, because that's how Theo is. He strives to become better, to get more powerful, to get all the power and the money in the world. But there's this family that stands in his way. They are called the JoJos. The JoJos are jealous of Theo's power and ambition and drive, and they decide they want to stop Theo. And they resort to violence. They even got the cops to shoot him a few times. Mostly because he's not a local. So yes, the JoJos bribe some racist police to shoot Theo. But Theo does not give up, and Theo strives to become better, and he attains more and more power. Until one day, one of the JoJos finally killed him. It was not a fair fight. JoJos and his friend beat Theo up. But in the end, Theo went from a poor boy to a powerful human, well, a powerful vampire. And he is my role model. I dream to be one day to be just like Theo, and that is why I'm going to cosplay as Theo. Anyway, let's start. Before we start, I would like to tell you that I never cosplayed before. Well, at least not. I never cosplay seriously before, but there's a first time for everything. So, well, not necessarily. Some of you probably will never get a boyfriend or a girlfriend, and you will be forever alone. But aside from that, that's a first time for everything. And here am I planning my Theo cosplay. Let's start with the hair. The hair is golden. It symbolizes Theo's affinity with wealth. Unlike the JoJos, he knows how to make money and how to keep them. And how should we make this golden hair? I would recommend buying a wig. And then we can just color it color it gold. What do you mean color it pan? It doesn't make any sense. Color it gold. Next, for all this green thing, all of them have the heart motif. It symbolizes Theo's big heart. His heart is big enough for everyone. He even gives people who are already dead a second chance in life. But sadly, the JoJos does not approve of that, and they kill all the people that Theo brought back to life. And for those, we need to buy some cardboard and color it green. Next, we are going to... what the hell is this one? We'll skip this one. For this one, this is Theo's overcoat. It's gold, because he is a man of gold. This one, if any of you know how to sew, you can sew. But for this we will need golden fabric. Any material will do, but the shinier the better. Well, for those of you who can sew, you can just sew and make the overcoat. But for a few who cannot sew like me, we will just use super glue. Will it work? I don't know. But as Theo said, as Theo is my role model, I'm not going to give up. I'm going to do my very fucking best, and I will become like Theo. Next, we need this one. A tight shirt that shows you everything. A tight black shirt. it's tight and it shows his entire body because Theo is a honest man who have nothing to hide. And lastly, we'll for this the pants we'll use the same materials and same logic. If you cannot sew, we'll use we use super glue. This is also cardboard, but we just need to color it gold. This is the hardest part. We need to be as buff as Theo, we need a gym membership. I know, Halloween is just 2 weeks away. You cannot get as buff as Theo in 2 weeks. But that's not what Theo is going to say. Theo is going to tell you to not give up on your dreams. Theo is going to tell you to suck it up and do it for Theo. And that is why, my friend, in 2 weeks, we will have the most intense training montage in our entire life. And that is all we need to make a Theo. So we need cardboard, golden fabric, black t-shirt, but I assume most of us have black t-shirts, gym membership, super glue, what else? Oh, paint, green and gold. That's it. That's all we need to become like Theo. Well, my friend, as Theo would say, Sawarudo. That means you need to go after your dreams and, you know, all insect-wise stuff that Theo says here. Now, to end this video, I would like to say a wise word that Theo once said. I rejected my humanity, Jojo! I have become a vampire! Wait, did he say that? I couldn't remember. Well, anyway, that's all from me. See ya!